Hi, Sweetie Pie. We just finished reading all the poems in this book in 2 installments: Polar Bear, Arctic Hare, Poems of the Frozen North by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Eugenie Fernandez. And at the back, they have Arctic facts for each of the about 12 or, oh no, 16. I'm going to have to get that squirrel off of the bird feeder. It's just about to destroy and empty out. Let's read these though first. The Arctic hare is the largest of all hares. Some are surprisingly tame. When startled, the Arctic hare usually runs uphill. That's interesting. I did not know that. This is an Arctic hare. This is the next one that we're about to read. Blue-flowered Arctic lupin grows to 2 feet tall. It can cover meadows of many acres. Imagine that, acres of the same kind of beautiful flower. Then there's the Arctic poppy. In order to make seeds, the Arctic poppy needs as much warmth as possible. So as the sun moves across the sky, the poppy turns slowly to face it. Some Arctic poppies are yellow, some are white. That was there, and the next one is going to be the Arctic tern, T-E-R-N, which is a bird, like a gull, but pointier wings. The Arctic tern is the long-distance champion of the world. Every year it flies from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again. So it basically flies around the world. Following the summer sun, a round trip of more than 22,000 miles. That's amazing. Next we come to the Arctic wolf. One of the largest members of the dog family, the Arctic wolf is an ardent, fearless hunter. It fluffs up its fur to give its coat warm air pockets. You may also call it the tundra wolf or the white wolf, the Arctic wolf. Bearberries. Oh, I didn't show you the picture of the wolf, did I? I don't remember now. That's the wolf, and these are bearberries. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's spelled bear, like the animal berries. Bearberries come in 2 colors, red and black. Many Arctic animals eat this fruit. Its wrinkled leaves turn bright red in the fall. Blueberries turn beautiful. The leaves turn beautiful shades of reds and other colors in the fall. There is only one white whale, the beluga. Because of the beluga's whistling, chirping sounds, sailors used to call it the sea canary. And there's a picture of it up close. And this is the next one, the caribou. Caribou are similar to reindeer. Vast herds roam Arctic pastures. The hooves of the caribou spread out to form a kind of snowshoe, good for walking on the snow and for digging through it to find winter food. They do have to have what are called adaptations so that they can survive these particular conditions, which in this case are quite extreme. They meaning all animals. To live in harsh places have had to make adaptations. And I'm sorry, I didn't sleep enough last night. But I didn't realize that we've learned that the bird called was it the ptarmigan? Yeah, has the snowshoe-like, the feathers and things on the feet that make it snowshoe-like, and so does the caribou. Next is this animal, which has 2 names: weasel or ermine. This animal has 2 names. In winter, with its fur coat of white, it's the ermine. In summer, the coat turns brown, and Ermine's name changes to Weasel. The ermine weasel is curious and playful. Where is it? Oh, sorry, there it is. Now we're about to do a flower. It used to be more common for women to wear fur coats, and ermine was one of them. Can you imagine killing a playful animal like that so you can wear its coat? Fireweed spikes of purple-pink flowers brighten the brief Arctic summer. Fireweed is also known as willow herb. The dwarf fireweed, also called river beauty, grows in the high Arctic. High Arctic, where it would be even colder. And next we're going to have the glaucous winged gull and the killer whale. Let me show you those two pictures now. Large and powerful, the glaucous winged gull, I have to look up the word glaucous, and I'll tell you what it is next time, has a hooked yellow beak and pink feet. It can stand on the ice for hours at a time. Wow. The killer whale is really a large dolphin. They hunt in groups called pods. Orca is another name for killer whale. Lemmings live in tunnels beneath the snow. It is the blanket of snow, along with their coat of heavy fur, that keeps them warm. They look like chubby mice. Now we know a little bit more what lemmings look like. And what's next? Muskox. Couldn't see upside down. The long, shaggy coat of the muskox keeps it warm in the worst blizzards. When threatened by predators, these animals form a circle for protection, with the youngsters in the middle. That's cool. Very smart. No one knows for sure why the male narwhal has one long horn. It's actually an overgrown tooth. Could it help carry the narwhal sound? Could it be a fencing sword or an ice poker? Don't think it's any of those things. But there's the narwhal picture. The orange-colored bumblebee knows just where to get warm, in a bowl-shaped poppy. When the sunlight bounces off the petals, it pools in the center of the flower and warms the bee. The bumblebee also is able to warm itself by exercising its wings before flying, because it does get very cold there. It's on the tip of right near the nose. My bees, they won't live if they're outside the hive, even not for long, even at 50, I think. So you can imagine in the Arctic where it's 50 below zero, they have to have adaptations. It's interesting how it said that the warmth pools inside the poppy is probably parabolic, the shape, and then the rays would hit it and gather sort of center at the focal point, which would be warmer. Just a guess, but that would be conic behavior of a parabola. Great book. Arctic hare. Polar bear, Arctic hare. Okie doke. Let me see if I can look up glaucous without losing you. If I can, I will let you know what glaucous means right now. Let's see if I can type this in and find it without losing you. They don't have it. That's crazy. I'll find it somewhere else. Okay, little guy, I hope you have a splendid day. I'm going to get up and do some things, although you can tell from my voice that I probably need more sleep than anything else. There's some more books I want to read before they have to go back, but let me sign off for now. I could read more soon. I love you, sweetie pie. Have a great day. Bye-bye.